Hello everybody, in this video we are going to update to Elixir 1.17. We have already installed Elixir 1.16. Here we are checking the environment variables. The path environment variable, we have Elixir already there because we haven't uninstalled Elixir 1.16. So we are going to overwrite the installation. In the terminal, we are going to see that we have Elixir 1.16. We have Erlang 27 because we have just updated. There is a video related to that in this playlist. Now in Elixir, on Elixir website, in the install section, we are going to go down below and look for the Windows section and download the Elixir 1.17 on Erlang 27. You can use 26, I don't know, it's up to you. In the download section, we are going to double click on the Elixir installation, and most likely Windows will warn you about this file. We're going to run this file anyway because we want Elixir installed on our machines. So let's click on this section, and we the installer have already discovered Erlang 27, which is great. And in this section, please leave the folder as it is. And now the installation is complete after we have clicked on next. And here we are going to need to uncheck these checkboxes because we already have the variables. Remember, we showed that at the beginning. So please uncheck these checkboxes and click on close. And now on the terminal, we can run again the same command, IEX, to see that we have Elixir 1.17 running. Thank you very much. Bye.